The boy who was too poor to see a doctor, but came back to build a $700 million empire. Part 4, success had finally knocked, but it didn't come gently, it barged in, bringing chaos. Starbucks was growing fast. Too fast. New cities, new stores, new people, but Howard still walked into every cafe, still tasted every cup. He said, "If I lose the soul of this company, I've lost everything." He remembered what it felt like to be overlooked, so he promised his workers something radical: stock options, even janitors owned shares in Starbucks. That meant a young barista in Detroit could one day become a millionaire, and some did. Howard made money, a lot of it, but he never forgot why he started. Not for coffee, not for cash, for dignity. He built stores in underserved communities, gave jobs to veterans, funded college tuition for employees. Starbucks became more than a brand, it became a mission, but it wasn't all smooth. With success came enemies, competitors came gunning, the media started calling him too idealistic. Some shareholders said he was spending too much on people, not profit, but Howard fired back, "I'd rather lose money than lose my values." Then he shocked the world. He stepped down as CEO. "Why?" he said, "I want to make room for others to lead. Growth must come with humility." But when the company began to crumble, when everything he built started slipping away, he knew he had to return, and when he did it like a warrior walking back into battle.